It's raining, but this won't get fixed on its own. This whole job took about maybe half an hour, but I sped it up so you didn't have to sit through the whole thing. Also, I clipped out where I was walking back and forth. So if your tent flips over upside down, you can figure about an hour's worth of work getting it apart. I wouldn't try moving it until you get it apart because it's pretty wobbly. After I get it reassembled, I'm going to set it down and bolt it to 4x4s that are sitting on the ground. Then I'll fill in between the 4x4s with some limestone. Give me a little bit better floor in there. I had limestone in it before, but I didn't have any 4x4s to anchor it all together. I think that's part of why it flipped over. So I'll be doing some additional strengthening. Well, as you can see, I've begun taking the tent down. It has to come apart in order to get it put back together again on the other side of the fence. It's too large and unwieldy. I'm afraid I will bend it all to pieces if I don't disassemble it before I move it. The right rear leg was the only one that actually remained anchored to the ground. Unfortunately, it folded over the fence anyways and snapped the fence and really twisted up that leg. So I had to disassemble it, and I'm going to have to probably replace that whole leg. How about that? Buried in water. 6 days. Little Harbor Freight light looks like it's got a pretty good lifespan, especially in really adverse conditions. It's held together with little sheet metal screws, well, little plastic screws, little Phillips head screws. It doesn't look like it got any water inside. That's pretty cool. That's good advertising. HarborFreight.com. Put this in a bucket of water while it's still lit. Well, I got it tore down. Still got to put away one tarp, but I got the frame down and I got the ground uncovered. You can see how the grass is turning kind of light green. I just planted that this year. I didn't want it to all die out, so I was kind of in a hurry to get that done. But I needed to take care of other things first. You know how priorities go. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Hard to believe it looked like this on May 2nd. But we'll get it put back together again, and we're going to make it better. Always room for improvement. Thanks for watching.